Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to multi-stream on OBS. Basically, streaming on multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Zoom, and the rest of other social media platforms, basically at the same time. All right, so stay with me as we start. So the first thing you need is basically an updated version of OBS Studio. So you must have an updated version of OBS Studio, and the link would be in the description below on how to access your OBS Studio. You how to get the new OBS Studio or the latest version of OBS Studio. So the link will be in the description below. And the other thing you need is you would need a reliable internet connection. That's a very strong internet connection to be able to carry out this setup. All right, so the first thing you will know is there are two major ways of multi-streaming. The first way is to use OBS plugins. To actually multi-stream, and the other is to use other streaming services, streaming services like Restream.io or Streamlabs, and they are very easy for beginners. And how do you set up? First of all, you have to sign up with them, then you connect your accounts. That's your other accounts, your Facebook, your YouTube, and other accounts with them, and then all you need to do is to just get your stream key from the streaming platform, the multiple streaming platform you're using, and then you can paste right on this stream here, which is when you click on settings and then you come to stream, and then you can select Restream here, and then you can connect it. All right, or use the stream key, any of them you want, Restream, and then you get it done. Another is using Multistream, which would be right on your dashboard here, on your OBS Studio dashboard. Right, so that's what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be learning how to multi-stream using OBS plugins. Right, so we are going to get right into it. So first, let's go to our browser, either your Chrome browser, your general browser. So what you need to search for is OBS Multistream. All right, Multistream plugin. So you can just click on and then you search. Right, now there are two major Multistream plugins that OBS has. All right, so we have the Multistream RTMP output plugin, and then we have the iTunes Multistream, right? So the two has different kind of interface, but they're still the same thing, and they also have their different functions, right? So for this video, we are going to be using the multiple RTMP output plugin. In maybe subsequent videos that I'll be making, I'm going to use the iTunes stream for this. So using this, now we click on this, then you'll be taken to this page. You can get there. What we do is we just click on go to download. So it takes you to the GitHub file where you'll be able to access this, and then you just scroll down and you can come into assets. Okay, so there are different this thing here too, but let's stop at assets now. If you are using the one you are going to be downloading, is dependent on what, on your operating system. If you are using a Windows operating system or a Mac OS, so depending on what you are using. So for me, I'm actually using a Windows to do this. So what you do is there are two major ways to actually get this into your PC or into your OBS. Getting this into your OBS, you can use the zip file or the installer. So for me, I'm going to use the installer for now. So I'm going to use the installer. So if you click on it now, it's going to download here, of which I've already downloaded it. All right, so once I've downloaded it, now click on open. Now, okay, they said I already have it on my distance, so I'll just click on yes, and then install, and then ignore this because I already have it here, so I ignore it, and then it's completed. So you can close, and I come back to my OBS, so it will just be the same way like this. So what will I do now to get it out? So what I'll do to get it out is to click on docs, and then I can click on multiple output. Click on multiple output, and then this pops up. Now, if you can't find this multiple output on your OBS studio, what you need to do is actually to close your OBS. You have to close your OBS and then open it back. So once you close it and open it back, or restart it, this is actually going to pop up. So once this pops up, what you are going to do now to actually use this multiple stream output is you come to your settings. First thing you need to do is come to your settings, and then you do what? You set up your primary stream. So if it is Twitch, Twitch is a primary stream. If you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook, and the rest of them, you can use any of them, or you custom destination. You put your saver and then your saver key, and then on the stream key, and then you are done. So but for now, I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to actually go live on anywhere. So I'm going to cancel this now. So after canceling it, so this is how to set up your multi output. So after setting your primary stream up, you have to do what? You have to click on new target. All right, so let's say YouTube is now one of the targets we want to add, like where we want to stream on again. So we could say now we could add this RTMP saver. That is basically the URL of the stream. So how do we get that? We come to our stream, because I just want to show you how to do this. You come here, and then you can see here, this is the stream URL. It's the same thing as the stream URL. So you can copy it now from here, and then go back to the stream saver, paste it, and then the stream key. So you copy your stream key. So look at it here, you copy your stream key. Copied mine now, so I can go back here and then do what? Paste it on the stream key section. Then I can click on OK. So with this now, I can now start streaming. So if I can still add other targets here, let's say we want a Facebook target now, Facebook target. So I can still add the URL once I want to go live. Add the URL and the key, and then I can click on OK. So now, very importantly, if you want to stream all at once, let's say you want to start the stream all at once, just click on start all. You want to start one at a time, click on start here, and then you access it. So if you want to add another target here, you want to stop all, you stop all the stream here. Now if I want to start now, I cannot start because I've not started streaming here. So I must first of all set my primary stream and then start the stream before I'll be able to start any other stream here, any other multi-stream. So thank you so much for watching to this time. And if you got value from this video, if this helped you, please do well to like, subscribe for more tips, and then let me know in the comment section which platforms or platform you stream on. Thank you very much.